Now I'm going to cover two of the most important hosting tools that a host has in their toolkit. That is the announcements and broadcasting. So announcements are specifically for audio. So you make an announcement to a single space or an entire server. So I'm going to show you exactly how that's done first before going into broadcasting. So look at your hamburger menu or press the Oculus menu to open up the main menu. Click on host controls, and then here we have announcements. So when announcements pop up, you have a choice between the spaces where people are. So I'm currently in Titan along with a friend, so they will hear that announcement when I start announcing. Or I can choose to do it server-wide. This means that every single space inside of this particular server will hear my announcement. All I need to do is start the announcement, and it shows that I am currently announcing, and then when I'm finished, I will stop. And it's just as easy as that. Okay, so next up is broadcasting. So with broadcasting, it's not audio only. What's actually happening is that the avatar that you have is appearing across multiple instances or multiple shards. So instances or shards, those are copies of the same place. For example, if I have an event with, let's say, 500 people, I'm probably going to need 5 different instances of Titan, and each instance has 100 different people. But if I want to speak to everybody and I want them to see me, I'm going to use broadcasting. So all you do is open that menu again. You can use the hamburger button, click on host controls, and then broadcasting, okay? So now you can see that I'm broadcasting inside of all the instances of Titan currently. And one beautiful thing about broadcasting is that someone, if they have a question, they can ask a question, accessing that same host controls to ask what's on their mind. So we'll see an example here in a moment. And all I need to do as the presenter is click answer, and then they can speak. Okay, so say hello. All right, there you go. So that's how you broadcast within Remio and get someone to ask a question. I'll just briefly show you how it works when you are asking a question of the broadcaster. So as you see, someone else is broadcasting. They're not currently in the instance. Beep, beep, beep. So all I need to do is go back into host controls, and they will see the ask question button, and click that, like so. And then I make the request to ask, and then they will give me permission, and I can start speaking as you see. Okay, so that's all there is to know about announcing and broadcasting inside of Remio.